Hi! So today is my 5th day dito sa Bangkok. Ngayon pupunta kami sa Siam. Ito daw yung largest aquarium sa Southeast Asia. So 990 baht ang price per person dito.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
Pwede tayo umapa? Oh no, we're... So ito try namin itong glass bottom boat, may additional na bayad na 350 baht.
Okay, welcome. Wow, we just take a shot. Okay, welcome everyone to class on board. And for your own safety, please do not stand on the boat and don't put your hand or any devices inside the water. Okay, you can take a photo all the time, but be careful with your phone. Okay. At the center is a glass, it's okay. In here we have 4 types of sharks. Then you see the small fish that have the beautiful color. And area that has to apply with the 100. You can take photo on it. Now you go down there and you see at the journal you're gonna see. Oh, this one is the shovel ray of Ita fish. It looks like a shark, but it's not shark, but it's a ray. This one is the group of the big eye theory. And that's how you're gonna see 2 sharks. Another one coming. Wow, take a shark at the center.
Wow!
Maybe behind you this side, sorry, this side. And that's what happened. Behind you, sir. That's one is the shovel rosary of Italy, giant Italy. It's difficult to see outside. Behind you have another plant bigger shop. And you're gonna see them again at downstairs at the journal. You can see them again. And downstairs we have the touch pool. You can touch the sea star, sea cucumber, and the shark egg free downstairs.
So ito na yung pinaka main na aquarium ng Bangkok Sea Life.
Faith
A few moments later.
Bakit Chinese? Carpet. So nandito na kami sa Penguin Station.
To the sea for a getaway, car top down, and we're driving just to feel young, moving away to the sea.
Macaroni Penguin.
Sand in your feet, feel the breeze. Moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see? We'll drink penny by the ocean, it's our favorite potion. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our days will never end, yeah. No, our days will never end, yeah. No. Come on, baby, let me tell you one time that our fire got a love it till you never break apart. We're moving away to the sea, moving away, can't you see?
Ba't ito papalabas to na?
There won't be one more time, so we gonna do this tonight.
Thank you so much sa panonood sa aking mga vlogs. If you want to see more, just click the subscribe button and follow me on my social media accounts. Peace!